Hey, what's up? This is Amir from AD Codes, and this is another project that I was supposed to do yesterday, but I didn't make it. But it's technically the third day final project. So here are the instructions. And by the way, all this code is uploaded to GitHub, and I'm gonna post it on Twitter and YouTube, but YouTube right now it doesn't let me because the channel is as of now is just too small, and YouTube just doesn't let you post external links for that. And you can just find it on my Twitter, or just search for codestantine. Let me just write it somewhere here, codestantine, and you can just look at it. And these are like there's right now there's like two repos there. One of them is the super simple Python projects, and the other one is this, which is 100 days of code, which I post just the final projects of every day. And now that is just taken care of, let's see what this is all about. So instructions: make your own, choose your own adventure game. And by the way, this is just according to Angela Yu's Udemy course on 100 days of code. So I'm just doing that and just posting my own progress on YouTube. So that's it. And it's a great course, and you can just go see it for yourself. So make your own, choose your own adventure game. Use conditionals such as if, else, and elif statements to lay out the logic and the story's path in your program. So to write your code according to my story, you can use this flowchart from draw.io to help you. And lucky for you, we don't need to go there because I have already downloaded the chart, and it looks like this. But we will get to this later. So so the continuation. However, I think the fun part is writing your own story. That said, if you'd like to continue with my example, feel free to use the text snippets below, which I will, because I just want to be done with this project, and I'm already 1 day behind. So I just want to do this as quickly as possible. So these are the snippets, and apparently just using just a bunch of if or else statements should be enough. So this is the chart, and apparently the player starts from here. So it just says, welcome to Treasure Island. Your mission is to find the treasure. And then we will just present them with a question and ask them if they want to go left or right. And if they say left, I guess that the game ends here, because there is actually left is here. Okay. Right or anything else, they game over. They fall into a hole, game over. And left is where the game continues. So swim or wait. Swim or anything else, they get attacked by a trout, and game is over. And if they wait, I guess that's the right question. And then we just present them with another question, and we just ask them which door do they want to open. And then there's like a red door, and there's like a blue door, and there's a yellow door, and the yellow one is the winner's door actually. So the red one is when they get burned by fire if they open it, and the blue one, they get eaten by beasts, and anything else they all it's just game over for them. So I think it's simple. And by the way, if you're asking what is this, I mean this is a chest. a treasure chest, and we'll just display this on the first statement of the program, and they just see this. So if I just run this, okay, so it doesn't run now. Why? Oh, okay. I can see. But if I double, yes, this is what you will see. And by the way, if you're asking why am I using a light theme, it wasn't by choice, because this chart was horrible on dark theme, and I guess now we know. I guess we could just do a light dark theme now, because we're just going to code this. I guess it's kind of might be hard to read for some of you, but I think if we just continue, it's better. And so this is where I should be coding. This is where it starts, and this is the flowchart. So okay, so let's just code this. Start. We already have some code here. We have this whatever it's called, and we just say welcome to Treasure Island. Your mission is to find the treasure. So you have to ask a question, right? What was the first question? You're at a crossroad. Where do you want to go? Type left or right. So I'm just gonna copy it and paste it over here. I'm gonna say print, not print, I should just say input. I should maybe say like answer equals input, and then this question, left or right. Right, this is, and this needs to be done using escape sequences, I guess, and just adding this forward slashes, and I need another one here. Yeah, but this is for left and this is for right. So I need a colon here, right? And a space. So when I run this, then it will just ask a question like, you're at a crossroad. Where do you want to go? Type left or right. And they type the answer here. Okay. So now to get the answer. So which one was it? The flow chart is like left is when they continue, right they lose. So let's just write an if else statement. If answer is equal to right, something happens, then we just write pass or something. Yeah, and else it's game over, right? So what is the message? I don't know which one to use, honestly. So fall into a hole, game over. So do we have a fall into a hole? Yeah. You fell into a hole, game over. Done. Now, let's take care of this. So let's say they go left and then they arrive at this swim or wait situation. So where is it? You come to a lake, there is an island in the middle of the lake, type wait for a boat, type swim for, okay. So I'm just gonna copy this and paste it. We don't need the pass anymore. So this should also be another input. input. Yep. And again I need my escape sequences. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I guess now PyCharm is complaining that this thing is just too long, and it's just gonna, yeah, too long, line too long, and okay, just do it like this. So now we have an input, but we're not storing the answer anywhere. And since we are doing this, I'm not going to create another variable here. I'm just going to say answer is equal to this again. It just gets overridden. So I'm just going to do another if or else statement. Yes. If answer was equal to wait, this is when they continue, right? So I'm just going to say pass for now. Or else, and it's game over. So with what should I write? So when they game over here, they attack by a drought, get attacked by a drought, and so where is it? Yep, here. Paste it. And now let's, I guess we're just going to need another answer from them. Answer equals input and something. So they wait. So I guess this is when a boat comes to save them or something, gives them a free ride for some reason. So where is it? There is no boat here. Just says you arrive at the island unharmed. There is a house with 3 doors, 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. Which color do you choose? Perfect. Let's paste it over here. Yep, I know. So now I actually think that this if or else statements are just getting a bit too, too deep here. If I just keep writing if or else statements, I'll show you how it looks like, because I'm just gonna, let's say if answer equals, let's say, red, because there's like 3 doors, right? 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. Let's do the yellow one first, because that's how we have done it so far. The first if statement always checks for the winning statement in our program. So I'm just going to continue doing that. And this is a pass, and there's an elif here, and answer is equal to red. Then it's like game over. It's a room full of fire, right? It should be. You fall into home. Yeah, it's a room full of fire. Game over. And let's do an else statement here. Not an else, another elif actually, because they might not enter yellow, red, or blue. So if answer is equal to blue, it's gonna say print uh, I guess this is when they enter a room full of beasts. Yep. Right. So, and then another one, and this is when they enter an answer that's not even valid. So so this is when we say to them, you chose a door that doesn't exist, game over. So copy that and paste it over here. Like this. And actually it didn't look so bad, but I wanted to do it maybe another way. We are also not checking if they are actually winning or not. This means nothing to our program just yet, because we're just printing something to them. And yep, escaping characters, that extensions, something. Yeah, so this is about this what it's called, ASCII art, right? The ASCII art. So in our program we have something like this, when we just drew something and it just printed it that way, because we use this triple quotation marks here and here, so Python knows how to display this. So nothing too crazy over here, and I guess I'm done here. Now I'll show you how I can expand this a little bit. So I just ran the program. What happened? Let me rerun this, because it says you're at a crossroad, but it's giving me this. What is that? Let me terminate this, run this again. It's crazy. Oh, this is running the program and then it's saying this. I mean, why are you giving me? Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna write the answer here. So I know that right loses and left wins, so let's win the game now. So I'm just gonna say left. It says you fell into a hole, game over. So I shouldn't have said left. I think I made a mistake. Wait, what? Left wins, actually, so I coded incorrectly. Yeah, here. If answer was right, yeah, I just coded this. Yeah. So I'm just gonna say left. And the else statement checks for anything else. So let's do it again. And now magically it just works. There's no error like that anymore. I'm speechless. I don't know how these things work. So right loses, left wins. So I'm saying left. So I get another message. It says you've come to a lake. There is an island in the middle of the lake. Type wait to wait for a boat. Type swim to swim across. So I'm not going to swim across. I'm not a good swimmer, so I'm just gonna say wait. You arrive at the island unharmed. There is a house with 3 doors, one red, one yellow, and one blue. Which color do you choose? I'm gonna say yellow, because that's usually how gold looks like, gold is gold, but it's also with yellow. Wait, that nothing happens. Okay, I must have forgotten that here is just the pass, unfortunately. Yep. It must have been very frustrating to watch me code this, because you are saying that I'm just forgetting stuff. But I'm just learning. I'm not here to teach anybody. If I teach it to, I don't know, some magical person, I'm just going to learn better. So where is the, you found the treasure? Yep. Right. Just gonna say, wait, what happened? Yep. So let's run this again. Left, wait, yellow. So as you found the treasure, you win. Okay, so let's try other things. We know right loses. Now it's showing me again this stupid thing. So right, you fell into a whole game over, yes. Again, left, wait, let's choose red. It's a room full of fire, game over. Left, wait, blue, beasts, left, swim. You get attacked by an angry trout, game over. I guess I'm done testing this. Watching this on a light theme was, let me show you how it looks like if I just have chosen a theme that's dark. Let's choose coldly dark. See, this is how it will look like. So I just had to choose the light theme if you wanted to see the chart. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We're done with the final project of the third day of 100 days of code.